Welcome guys to another episode of my bucket slash spigot coding tutorials, and today we will be covering randomizing variables. Now these variables can be anything you really want, like strings, ints, doubles, or even locations. But for this tutorial's purpose I am going to use strings because it's like the easiest. Now before we jump into this video or tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe because that would help a lot and it doesn't take much time. Alright, so first of all, I am going to make a new package called like tutorial command. Tutorial commands. Like so. I'm sorry if I type a bit slow. I got a new keyboard and it's basically in a different language, so I gotta relearn how to type. And I'm going to create a new Java class called Randomizer. Oh, let's just change my language quick. Anyway, make sure your class Randomizer implements a command executor, so command executor, like so. And then implement these methods. You can use like sender, and then instead of command cmd, instead of s label, instead of strings args, and stuff like that. So first of all, if you didn't watch my previous tutorial, you would know that first we need to check if the sender is a player. So let's do that really quick. So if the sender isn't an instance of a player, so if sender instance of a player, so make sure to import player like I'm doing right now. Okay, so if the sender is not an instance of a player, then we want to send a message to the sender. So sender dot send message, and my message is going to be in I don't know, red, because it's like the warning color thing, plus and this. All right, so you are a console. Like so. You cannot execute this command like so. Alright, so then we gotta make a player variable. So player player is equal to we want to cast that to a player, and then sender like so. You will probably get an error, but this doesn't matter as it will work anyway. So first of all, we gotta make the actual command. So like, if the player types in chat slash randomize, and then it will execute some code. So if cmd.getName dot equals ignore case, because like you can do like to lowercase or to uppercase, but I'm using equals ignore case because like um, it is just the simplest. So equals ignore case, and I'm going to type randomize, okay, and put these brackets around. And since I have returned false here, I'm just going to put return true. If you have returned true here, you don't need to put this. So anyway, when the player types our command randomize, it will execute this code. Now, first of all, we gotta get the actual strings. Now, the strings that we are going to be randomized. Now, I'm not going to do that with string s and something like that. No, I'm going to use a list or an array list. Now you can create an array list like so. But for this tutorial's sake, I'm going to use list because it's simpler and it can hold list of strings. I'm going to use string list because like like a list of strings, and I'm going to call our array list is equal to a new array list. So put this, and then inside you want to type string because we are creating a list of strings stored as e. So if you want to add a string to your list, you just gotta do e or anything that's your or something that's your array list called, and now you gotta do dot add. So basically that's adding a variable. I am going to add something like Mctall is cool, and I'm going to add a second variable or a second string, and I'm going to call it Mctall is awesome. Oh my god. Alright, let's make it a typo anyway, who cares. And I'm going to add a third variable, and that is going to be called like Xpaintall is boring. Boring. Right, so we have our list of strings. Now we have to like actually randomize it. Now, first of all, we gotta create a new random that basically randomizes our strings. So random, I'm going to call it R is equal to a new random. So we have our random and it's already implemented. So then we gotta send a message to the player. So player dot send message. And now we don't want to put these little things since this is not a string itself. We are getting the array list. So first of all, we gotta get the list. So e dot add, or I mean e dot get, and inside r dot next int. Now r dot next int is basically going to randomize all of these e's. And inside of r dot next int, you want to put e. Oh my god, size like so. And basically that's like getting the string itself before it's like getting through all of these e's. Now it's getting the string itself. So, alright, so pretty much our command is done. Now we just gotta register it. So get command, like so, command. And then inside you want to put your command name. In my case, it's randomize. So randomize. Oh my god. No, I'm going to just copy it. Anyway, randomize. So, and dot set executor. And inside you new, and then your randomizer class or your command class. I'm going to, in my case, it's randomizer. So we have our command registered in our main. Then we gotta put it in our plugin.yml. So uh, make sure to do all of these stuff. Then put commands, and it is randomize. Yes, it's randomize. Let's set a description. So randomizes a list of string like so, and then let's set a usage. So something. Oh wait. Oh my god. Stop. Something like slash randomize like so. And I'm going to save this project and build it, and I will see you in Minecraft. Anyway, I'm now inside of Minecraft, and in theory, if I type in slash randomize, like so, I will get a random message. So Xpaintall is boring. Oh my god, Xpaintall is all, and then my typo. Xpaintall is boring. Xpaintall is cool. Basically, every message or every string has a 33.333 and that infinite percent chance to like execute it, to like I don't know how to say, but every string has a 33% chance of showing up. Uh, so like you can put as many strings as you really want. Um, I can do like e dot add, something like I don't know. Xpaintall is uh actually cool, and basically it's going to make a 25% chance for every string to show up. So anyway, that's my whole tutorial. I hope you like it. If you don't understand something, just say it in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!